Welcome students. This is the second video of chapter Coal and Petroleum. In the previous video, we discussed about coal, how it was formed and what is destructive distillation of coal. Now in this video, we will discuss about petroleum. Petrol is used as a fuel in light automobiles such as motorcycles, scooters and cars. Heavy motor vehicles like trucks and tractors, they run on diesel. Now these petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resource called petroleum. Petroleum was formed by the anaerobic decomposition of extremely small sea animals and plants which got buried in the seabed millions of years ago. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature, and high pressure transformed the dead organisms into petrol, petroleum, and natural gas. Now, in this picture, it is showing that petroleum is trapped between two impervious rocks deep under the surface of the earth. Now, this shows the deposits of petroleum and natural gas. The layer containing petroleum oil and gas is above that of water. Why it is so? Because oil and gas are lighter than water and they do not get mixed with water. Petroleum is a dark colored viscous liquid having unpleasant smell. It is commonly called as crude oil. Its name is derived from Latin words petra meaning rock and oleum means oil. Thus petroleum is means rock oil. Petroleum petroleum consists of various constituents such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin, etc. The process of separating the various constituents or fractions of petroleum is known as refining and it is carried out in a petroleum refinery. This process is called fractional distillation, which is based on the fact that the different components of petroleum have distinctly different boiling points. In fractional distillation, crude petroleum is heated to a temperature of 400 degrees Celsius or slightly above in a furnace, and therefore the various constituents they get separated, and this is carried out in petroleum refinery. Now this table shows the various constituents of petroleum and their uses. First is petroleum gas in liquid form called liquefied petroleum gas. Short form is LPG. And its use is it is used as a fuel for home as LPG and for industries. Second is petrol, or it is also known as gasoline. It is used as a fuel for cars, scooters, and motorcycles. It is also used as a solvent for dry cleaning clothes and for preparation of petrol gas in laboratory. Third is kerosene. It is used as a fuel in wick stoves to cook food and Petromax lamps for lighting purposes. A special grade of kerosene oil is used as aviation fuel in jet aeroplanes. Fourth is diesel. It is used as a fuel for heavy vehicles like buses, trucks, tractors, railway engines, and ships, then to run water pumps required for irrigation in fields and to produce electricity on a small scale. Next is lubricating oil. It is used for lubricating machinery. Next is paraffin wax. It is used for making candles, cosmetics such as face creams, Vaseline, ointments, etc. Last is bitumen. It is used for making road surfaces and paints. Then it is also used for making the underside of electric poles to prevent them from rusting. So all these are the constituents which are obtained by the refining of petroleum. Next fossil fuel is natural gas. Natural gas is a very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through pipes. It is used as a starting material for the manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. Now, there are more uses of natural gas. Natural gas is compressed at high pressure, then it is called CNG. Full form is compressed natural gas. And CNG is used for power generation. Natural gas is also used as a fuel for transport vehicles because it is less polluting. The great advantage of CNG is that it can be used directly for burning in homes and factories where it can be supplied through pipes. It is also used as a starting material for manufacturing a number of chemicals and fertilizers. It is also used for manufacturing of carbon black, which is used in rubber industry as a strengthening agent. In India, natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and in Krishna Godavari Delta. In India, PCRA, full form is Petroleum Conservation Research Association. This organization advises people how to save petrol or diesel while driving. Their tips are: drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Second is switch off the engine at traffic lights or at a place where you have to wait because it can save the petrol or diesel. Next is ensure correct tire pressure. And next is ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle, means time to time servicing of the vehicle should be done. Thank you.